Welcome back to another snack bang. Oh, sorry, that was probably a really bad idea. No, I can't reach those. Oh, no, wait, yeah, I can. Well, we got some new snacks here. You see this big old ball of puffs right here in the front? We got some stuff I've never tried, so this is gonna be fun. But hi guys, now you can see me. Okay, let me stack this up here. Let's see. Let me show, well, how you guys been from, first of all, this is the thing that I wanted to really try. So I was like, I'm gonna make a video just so I can try this. Is cotton candy balls. They are crunchy balls. They're cotton candy flavored. We've got a few other things that are new that I've never tried before. Let's see, we got, I thought that was open. I was like, what the fuck? Archway Classics Home Style Soft Coconut Macaroon Cookies. Cookies! I don't know if you guys are macaroon types. These are Betty Crocker fruit snacks, shark bite kind. We got some shark fruit snacks I've never tried. These are something Korean that I found at the Korean market. They're supposed to be a salted egg crisp. I don't even know if I was like holding that up to where you guys could see it. Was that a good angle? I guess we'll watch on the replay, right? You guys see I got my hair down for you guys. Mainly for B&B, Butters and Bears. Wanted to see my luscious locks. So here you go. I'm really excited to taste that. So we'll see what's up with that. Over here on the side, just because I'm hungry, I got some Korean, or some carbonara. Yeah, Korean carbonara fire noodles with some sausages. Look at these sausages. Steamy. So dreamy. No, I don't like the noodles in the carbonara. It's the carbo. It's a creamy, cheesy sauce. Delicious. But I do like the small noodles in the top ramen. So I take those and I mix it with the sauce. And it becomes this delicious. Cheesy, like creamy sauce. Oh, wait. Oh, I forgot I put 2 packs of sauce in there. It's hot. Anyways, back to the snacks. We got hot nuts. Fuego Takis flavored. I think they're peanuts. If I take the sticker off, you can see the picture. I got most of it off. They're like peanuts. Takis Fuego flavored. Never tried those. What else I found? An entire bag of all pink Starbursts. I know, right? What the fuck, Lucky? Let's get these out of the way so we can get this piled up in front of us. We also have something by Kingo Korean family. Apple flavored jellies. We also have a different brand. I don't know what it is, but this is a lychee jelly. And then we also have regular cheese balls to compare to our cotton candy flavored cheese balls. Let's get everything set up so we can try it. We're just going to put a little bit of everything out, and then I'll tell you what it is as we're trying it. And I think everything can go in this tray together. Oops. That should be enough for now. Yeah, that's a very sweet smell coming out of there. Wonder what that's going to taste like. Never had these. We'll be able to test try them right next to the regular cheese balls though. Never had these cheese balls before. We'll see how those go. I mean, I'm sure they taste like regular cheese balls. Salted egg crisps. Oh, good. They're individually packaged. Egg rolls. This is really interesting. It's very cute. Little package. About the size of my hand. We'll keep them in the package because who knows what they're going to smell like. We'll throw those up there, the hot nuts. Let's open up the lychee jelly packet and see what is inside here. It opens from the left. That's strange. Most people are right-handed. This is the lychee jelly packet. It's literally just a packet. That's like a travel size sunscreen packet. It's weird. Put a couple of those out. See the apple jellies on the right side, like a normal company would put, I guess. These are like little pods. Apple flavored. Pull those out. Got our all pink Starburst bag here. Think of a little Starburst in there. I know you guys can't see the tray, but I'm gonna be holding everything up I eat, so you'll be able to see what I'm eating before I eat it and talk about it, what it tastes like. These are the Shark Bite packages. They're not very big, kind of tiny. And the last thing to open is the macaroons. Comes in a giant pizza bag as expected. Thrown in there, looks like. These are strange looking. It's kind of looks like a biscuit, like a mini biscuit. I hope that's not what they taste like. We'll throw it out. Get in there. Okay. So, let's get some of this ramen down because this looks really good over here. It's just taunting me. Oh, it's going to be spicy because I put 2 packets of sauce in it. The carbo sauces just aren't that big. I don't know where any of my chopsticks are right now. People say you shouldn't drink water with spicy food because it makes it hotter, but I'm like, not me. I drink water just fine. Ow. The sausages are good too. Noodles are spicy. Okay, I have to take a break for a second. Let's try one of these macaroons. They look like bread. Maybe it'll help. That's kind of weird. Hold on, let me try that again. Okay, it's like it's kind of bready textured. Very strong coconut flavor. I think I'm eating actual coconut. It's like a lot of coconut. The flavor is good. Coconut toasted-y flavor. If you like that, it's not bad. It's dry. So I recommend a drink on the side. Now I know what you really want to try. These bad boys. Psh, psh, psh. Ooh, they smell like cotton candy. They look like little cheese balls, though. Yep. They have the crunch berry texture. You know, like a softer, fluffier crunch berry texture. And it tastes like cotton candy. So yeah, it is essentially a cheese puff. It tastes like cotton candy. Can't resist a good normal cheese puff. These are really good. Recommend those. Planners. My dad used to eat those. Okay. I'm going to save this for just a minute because I don't want to ruin it. Let's try the lychee jelly. Look up lychee fruit. It is a fruit. I can't remember what country that they grow them in. Oh. Oh. You see it? It's like a blob of jelly. Oh, it's juicy coming out. Ooh, dripping. Looks kind of like a squid. Ooh. That's a interesting flavor. It's like clear. I've never tasted that before. It's like sweet, of course, but it's not a raspberry flavor. It's not a strawberry or cherry flavor. It's like a I don't know what that is. That's just the weirdest fruit I've ever tasted ever. It's a new fruit. I can't even say what it tastes like. That was weird. It was good. It wasn't gross tasting. It just is something I've never tasted before. Huh. I wonder what that actual fruit tastes like. This is the apple jelly, so let's see if it tastes like apple. It's a little hard to open with slippery fingers. Okay, so it's oh shoot, juicy too. That's dripping. Let's push it out a little bit. It's also gelled, just like the other one, jelly, like Jello. Let's try it. The whole thing kind of just plopped into my mouth. That was like, it like melted. It definitely tastes like apple. Very strong apple flavor. But it like melted. It wasn't as solid as this one, which is strange because I figured this one would be mushy, but this one was more solid and this one was more mushy. That was weird. Alright, getting through the Korean snacks here. Let's try an American one that I know it's gonna be a normal flavor and not a weird. Yeah, normal fruit snacks. Here we go. Fruit snacks. We got some sharks, it looks like. Got jelly juice on me. That's a good fruit snack, right, cracker? Let's open the hot nuts and try these out. Oh boy, those look really spicy. Look at these bad boys. Oh, those are good. First, it's like a little sweet. And you can bite into it. It's got that little peanut in the middle. It goes really well with that shell they put on there. That dust. I get you right in the back of the throat. Okay. Gotta get some of this sausage. Let's try the salted egg roll. A bunch of these were taken off the shelf in this spot. You can't see what on the package what it says because it's in all Korean or something. But it looked like these were very popular. So I grabbed what was popular. I've been hearing people talk about salted egg snacks. I even watched a video on Veronica Wang making cured egg yolks. That doesn't look like a bad idea. Looks like you get 4 in a little tray here. That's what it looks like. It's like a little biscuit. The smell smells like a biscuit. Let's try this. Wow. That's good. That's actually very good. It tastes like a buttery croissant. Salted egg roll snack. Crispy. I recommend. Wow. This was a good little taste session. Maybe I should put 2 packets in it. I thought it just wasn't spicy enough last time. It's spicy. I think I put too much spice in it. Wow. You know, it's really early in the morning. I wanted to do this video. So I did. And it's done. Hope you guys liked my snack video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I'm sorry, I'm so thirsty. Don't worry, guys. Next video, hopefully coming up. I've been challenged to do the Wacky Pop-Tart Challenge by Funko Pop Ohana and 7 Legs Fairy. So, as always, stay safe. And we will eat again.